Hello, Emmanuel here. In today's fast tutorial, we'll learn how to filter material rays at render time in Octane. So let's get started. This scene is quite simple. All I have is an HDRI to light the scene, a mailbox with a basic PBR material, a plane that is working as a shadow catcher, an area light to make the shadows more evident, and finally a mesh that will fake the shadows. Let's make everything visible. Now, to filter the rays at material level, we need an OSL Texture. So first, we open the live database of Octane by going to Windows OctaneDB, go to LiveDB, OTOY, Procedural Textures, Utilities, and then we search Ray Type Blend. Right mouse, click and import. This will add the required OSL file to the Blender project. If we go to the text editor, we should be able to see it. But this also will create a new material and assign it to the last selected item, as you can see here in the monster geo. Let's reassign the correct material and add the script. To add it, we create an OSL texture node, select the Ray Type Blend OS file, and connect it to the opacity channel. As we can see, the shadows of the monster disappear, because only the camera rays of the material are visible now. If we check the script, we can see that we can select camera, shadows, ambient occlusion, diffuse, reflection, or refraction. In this case, what we want to show only is the shadow rays, so we need to set the ray type parameter to 2. And now only the shadows of the monster geo are visible. If we enable the swap checkbox, it will show everything except the selected ray type. Other common usage is with reflections. For example, this scene that is only showing the reflections of the Lego man and is hiding the reflections of the skeleton. We can even select more than one ray type by modifying the OSL script, or if you don't want to code, by using math nodes. While this kind of effect can also be achieved and sometimes controlled better by using render layers, this approach can save up render time and is a lot faster to implement, so be sure to add it to your toolbox. Well, that's all for now. See you in the next fast tutorial.